Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, this morning, Ahmad Zahra Talawi. I would like to present my proposal about the teaching of speaking in a start to class at the Hotel English course. This is the material from me, Ma'am Chris, and then so I take the title, the teaching of speaking in the start to class at the Hotel English course Pare. And then, so the introduction, according to the Finney Foundation, the students of start to class in a conference of speaking English, they often practice their English in another area, but it is different in the Daffodil English course because it is amazing not only student but also the tutor start to class in amazing too. He doesn't use a special media or technique, but they teach the students well. So they're not teaching by many medias, but they teaching by special method, and then make it the students well. And they make research students that can speak fluently in just a month in a step 2 class. The reason of choosing the title as this thesis is to give the knowledge to each reader about teaching of public speaking in the Daffodil English course Pare. And then the research focus, how is the background of the student in the step 2 class at Daffodil English course Pare. And then the method, the research assigned against the subject is step 2 class in the Daffodil English course for about 20 students, and 20 students, 12 female and 8 male. And then everyone, the instrument I use for this thesis, there are 3. Number 1, observation, interview, and documents. The observation was completed during step 2 class was running by using file notes. So I take the observation I take from file notes in a class. And then the interview was completed with the director, tutor, and students, and the officer too. And then I use file notes for text the interview. And then the document I use collecting document. And then research setting. This study is conducted at the Daffodil English course Pare Kediri. It's located Pancawarna number 7 Tulungrojo Pare Kediri. This course nearby Joko Tingkir Cafe and Tansu Cafe Tulungrojo Pare Kediri. And then the finding based on the document, background of the student was so various. There are 12 students fresh graduate from senior high school, 5 students are fresh graduate from college, and 3 students are still students of college. And then based on the observation, the implementation of teaching was pre-teaching, from pre-teaching, teaching learning, and post-teaching. And then I conclude the pre-teaching from greeting, checking attendance list, and brainstorming. Before going to tutor, give the lesson at the day, the teacher will greet the students and then check attendance list, and then before that make it brainstorming to the students what the material and make it their mindset grow up and develop before going to deliver the material. And then teaching learning process, and then that's the time for teacher to demonstrate and to deliver the material. And then post teaching review material, and then before the tutor close the class, before that the tutor review the class what the material was told by the teacher, and then is there the misunderstanding, or is there the question from the listener or the students, and then will be reviewed in the post test. That's I finding in this research. And then teaching and learning process, pre-teaching, tutor, greeting, tadi checking attendance and brainstorming about motivation story. The motivation story to open the meeting. And then teaching process, the tutor step to class level and get from the class. Then the tutor explain about sign post material inside the step. To step to class word vocabulary of topic, and then pronoun and repeat by the student. Jadi tutornya itu explain, ketika itu explain, ngasih vocabulary, how to pronoun dan lain sebagainya. Kemudian membagi for about 5 till 6. So there are four groups. The group has delivered the material that's still related to the materi. Jadi mereka mendeskripsikan di grupnya tersebut sekitar 4, dan tiap grupnya ada 5 sampai 6 member. And then every day after the group present the materi, the tutor has divided the students into 2 groups. The number of pro and the odd number were contra. Then the pro to move with a friend from the pro side, and the contra had move with the friend from contra side. They had expressed their argument. Jadi after 4 groups and finish all of the member present in that group, and then the tutor divided become 2 group, and then make it pro and contra group, and then they debate and they give the argument exactly, and then they improve their speaking in a teaching process. Then process the tutor are discuss material that day, and then they have to achieve the discuss because in the past teaching students know about the material tutor review and material. Then the tutor made a conclusion. Then the tutor did a greeting for the program. Jadi greeting, conclusion of the tutor asked about the materi, and then conclude the materi today, and then after that make apologize, and the last greeting atau leaving. That's the post test. And discussion the evaluation teaching speaking in a certain class was very good, because the evaluation teaching speaking was based very content of framework. The first test was 86. And the conclusion, the background of the student was very bad, because the class was so various. And then the background of the tutor in step 2 class English course very good, because the tutor a degree in English literature and has become tutor for about 11 years in the Daffodil. The teaching process, the curriculum syllabus and lesson plan was good, because just 1 point that not appropriate the process, the curriculum, and the other was appropriate like syllabus, lesson plan, method, media, and source. And the fourth, the implementation of teaching speaking in a terms pre-teaching, teaching, and process teaching was very good, because all of the point was appropriate. The evaluation teaching speaking in a terms of framework test, instrument of test, assessment rubric, and instrument of the test in the result of test very good, because all of the point was appropriate. Jadi sangat bagus pencapaiannya. Thank you. And now I would like to give my time for Mr. Muja and Mr. Azizin to give me question. Okay, please.
Okay, my simple questions is, why do you choose that title to be your research?
Okay, thank you. And the second question, Mr. Azizin.
Okay, my question is, how effective do you interview in Daffodil course? Because you say that you interview from director and tutor and students. So how the effective of interview?
Okay, Mr. Take it. Okay. Thank you from Mr. Muja and Mr. Radizin, and I would like to answer from Mr. Muja. Why I choose this title to be my thesis because or my proposal because I think it's very good because you know Edward Fordil is one of the best speaking course in the Pare, and you know in the Daffodil I think they have very good method how to teach the students in a step 2 class, especially how to make the students very well in a speaking, and then how to build how to teaching process especially. And then yeah, I think it is very good for the method. For the first divided become whole group, and then they present for the first time in front of their group, and then become two big groups, and then they divided become to one, become pro and contra groups, and then they keep their argument and make a discuss or debate with his friend. And then the question from Mr. Azizin about the interview, how effective? Okay, Mr. Azizin, I think interview is one of the best instrument method in observation because interview directly I ask the doer from the tutor, director, and the officer, and also the student. They can give comment about the class exactly, and then I think one of the best instrument is interview, observation, and documentation. So, and then or do you wanna say something, Mister? Or enough?
Okay, enough, sir.
Okay, thank you for Mr. Azizin and Mr. Buja to attend in my presentation today. And the last for me, I'm Ahmad Rabi. See you next time. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.